Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, and welcome to another one of our essential oil breakdowns. Today, we're going to be taking a look at Copaiba, also known as Copaiba recrutula. I don't know. That is. Maybe I'm just going to stop saying the Latin words because I butcher them every single time. In any case, Copaiba is a relatively interesting essential oil that has relatively few uses, although is incredibly effective at each one of them. That being said, it is also one of the most commonly mispronounced essential oils. I've always pronounced it Copaiba. That's how I believe it's meant to be pronounced. I'm yet to have anyone correct me too harshly on it. However, I have heard some pretty ludicrous pronunciations of it. That being said, let's move on to its profile, and before we do, really quick, always consult your doctor before use. Now let's dive in. Its scent is most commonly described as mild and woodsy. Under uses, you'll see bronchitis, coughs, colds, stress, and perfumery fixative. Its method of extraction is steam distilled, and it blends well with frankincense, lavender, red mandarin, neroli, rose, and sandalwood. Check out those videos in the playlist if you're interested. Under notes, you'll see just dilute with carrier oil. It is an irritant at those higher concentrations, so please do just bear that in mind. Now let's quickly go over its history. Copaiba oil resins extracted have been used in folk medicine dating back to the 16th century by the natives of north and northeastern Brazil. The folk remedies were administered orally or used as an ointment in the treatment of various diseases. In Panama, the Yivza people mix the resin with honey and give it to newborns to impart knowledge and ward off hexes. Within the Peruvian Amazon near Iquitos, it is also used as an insect repellent. I certainly would not recommend mixing the essential oil and giving it to newborns. I don't really know what effects it would have, but as a good rule of caution, stay away from feeding babies stuff that isn't food, in my humble opinion. Now let's quickly take a look at a recipe here. This will be for refreshing aftershave. 4 drops of Bay Rum, 4 drops Sandalwood, 2 drops Copaiba, 1 drop Red Mandarin, 1 drop cinnamon bark, and 4 ounces of Witch Hazel. And in terms of the instructions, put all ingredients in a dark colored glass, shake well before every use. You can follow it with jojoba oil or carrier oil. Very good stuff. I really do like it. It's a nice, simple, easy recipe that doesn't use a ton of ingredients. Now, that being said, if you do like Copaiba and you want to experiment with it, or if you're running low, please do check out Rocky Mountain Oils, links down beneath in the description. They have a great live chat feature, and they are, in general, one of the best organized essential oil websites online right now. That being said, I hope you have a great day, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or recipes involving Copaiba, please do put it down beneath in the comment section. That being said, I hope you have a great day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.